Hello and welcome to CrochetSmash. Today we are going to make some small coasters or mug rugs. These are made in cotton. I made a couple of them. It is very fast to make up. Now we are going to make similar one for today's tutorial. Of course we are going to use white, green and red yarns. Then we have our crochet hook 5 mm and my yarn needle and the scissors. So let us begin. I am going to start with the white. It's in Christmassy colors, so start with the magic circle. I am going to make 8 double crochets. So the initial one is chain 2, then 7 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With the initial chain 2 we have 8 half double crochets. We are going to tighten the yarn and slip stitch. Now we are going to cut the white yarn. That is round 1 complete. Using my yarn needle to weave this one in the back. I'm going to use my red yarn and we are going to make puff stitches. I'm going to go with the 5 incomplete stitches. So chain 2, then the initial one, chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over, go through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook, bring up a loop, go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Now we have 4 loops on the hook and one more time. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. Now we are going to yarn over and go through all the 5 loops. Now we are going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Then go to the next one and make another puff stitch. One, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook. We need one more. So just 5 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over and go through all the 5 loops. Chain 3. Repeat that. So we will have 8 puff stitches separated by chain 3. Now I finished all the puff stitches. Now chain 3 and I am going to join to the top of the first puff stitch with a slip stitch. Now we can cut the yarn. Leave a little long tail. Then you can lock that in place. Just like that. Just make sure you can weave all these things. Maybe you can do it at the end or you can do it now. Now we are going to use the green yarn and I am going to make double crochet in here in the chain 3 spaces. So chain 3, one, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets we made. I'm going to cut this yarn tail so that is out of the way. Then go to next chain 3 space and do another 5 double crochet. Make 5 double crochets in each of the chain 3 spaces and we meet again. Now we finished the 5 double crochets in each of the chain 3 spaces and slip stitch to the initial chain 3. And we are done with that, so we are going to cut the yarn and lock this one in place. You can weave this yarn tail in before starting. Now I finished weaving in the yarn tail. Now I am going to do the final round. You can leave it as it is okay, but I like to do a little more to define this green petals as well. So I am going to attach the yarn, white yarn, chain 1 and single crochet in any of the double crochets. Then do a single crochet in each of the double crochets. One, two, three, four, 5. Then when it comes to the space between these clusters, I'm going to do an extended single crochet. I'm going to insert my hook in here in the red, then bring up the white yarn and make a single crochet. That's it. That is the extended single crochet. Then we make 5 more single crochet. I could have done this one inside. I can crochet it over so I don't have to weave the yarn tail at the end. Extended single crochet is we are going into the top of the puff stitch, insert the hook, bring up the white yarn. We have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops. That is the extended single crochet. Now finish all this. Now we finished all the work, and I am going to single crochet, slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet. We are done. And I am going to lock this one in place. A nice Christmassy flower, which can be used as a mug or a small coaster, or just use it as a wall decor by combining 5 or 9. What are you going to do with this? What are you going to do with this flower? Let me know in the comments. We will meet you again next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.